Hello all, welcome to Tally Technology videos. Today, we will explore the newly introduced attribute in TDL called Disable Period in Tile, which is a new capability in TallyPrime Release 6.0. So, what is Disable Period on Tiles? Disable Period on Tiles is a new capability in TallyPrime Release 6.0, which allows you to choose whether to display or hide the period on a particular tile in dashboard. To bring this capability, a new attribute, Disable Period on Tiles, is provided within report definition. This attribute will indicate whether to display period on a particular tile in dashboard. This is an attribute which will take logical inputs yes or no. By default, the value is set to no, meaning the period information will be displayed unless it is manually changed to yes. Hence, the syntax for the same is as shown. Disable period on tiles, logical expression, where logical expression means any expression that would either return yes or no. Now, let's see how the same can be enabled in TallyPrime and its effect in dashboards. As you can see in the dashboard, period is displayed on all the tiles. If you want to disable period on sales trend tile, you can use the attribute Disable Period on Tiles in order to achieve the same. Let us open TallyPrime Developer. You can see DBT sales trend in report, and since you want to disable the period on the tile, you can provide the attribute with a logical value yes and save the code. Now load the code. In TallyPrime, let's go to dashboard. As you can see, period is not visible for sales trend tile due to the logical value yes for the attribute Disable Period in Tile. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you were able to understand the capability of Disable Period on Tiles attribute and appreciate how it enhances the UI of TallyPrime. Thank you.